I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. It is the day after our tornado watch, and thank goodness all we got was a couple of lightning bolts and some rain. And today I'm filming day 31, and I actually haven't even filmed day 30 yet. But today's prompt is celebrate. It's our very last day of Junk Journal July, and I'm going to have to figure out what to fill up my time with next. And we won't be able to do any more Junk Journal Julys until next year, but we do have Junk Journal January coming up in January. But I thought, what better way to depict celebration other than having some kind of food? Soup is not so celebratory. This looks like maybe Chinese noodles. That would be celebratory. Pasta's always celebratory, but nachos are what I think of when we're having a family gathering or a party or something. Nachos would be, I think, our choice. And so I think we're going to put the nachos down at the bottom. Now, I am not a partaker of alcoholic beverages, but a lot of people celebrate with alcoholic beverages, so I think we're going to just go ahead and I want to see the cup though, so I don't want that covered up. So I think we're going to do something like that. I think that looks very celebratory. So I first have to glue down my page, and I think that'll work out well. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all safe and sound and happy and healthy. Thank you for joining me on the last day of Junk Journal July. And I think we could actually move this over more. Let's do this. Let's see, I think that's perfect, or just about as perfect as I'm going to do it. How about that? Alright, so there's our last one at Celebrate. I'm going to glue the bottom of this down. And then get all our elements inside there. And after we figure out how we're going to place them, I'll come back and glue the top. So I definitely want this kind of like this. This is going to go over. That almost looks good just like that, really. Do we need all these other bottles? Yeah, I think it adds a little something, something. You know, maybe different people want different drinks. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this one down. And so this is like another glue book style page. I've been kind of enjoying watching other glue bookers. You know, it's when you don't have a lot of time or you don't have too many ideas, just do a random page in your little random glue book and you feel like you're creating something. When you got that creative urge, but you don't know what to create. Alright, so let's figure out this. What I think I'll do is actually, yeah, I think we'll go ahead and kind of put those like that. Yeah, we'll put these guys down going this way. I'm doing my laundry. If you hear my washing machine, I apologize. Supposed to be meeting up with my daughter-in-law and grandson to go to the park. And then I think I'm also babysitting later so they can take our other son out for his birthday, because it's his birthday today. I don't know, how does that look? A little bit off the edge there. I don't know, it looked better before. How'd that happen? I guess that looks okay. And we'll just put that right there in the middle and call it done. Easy peasy. Were you in the path of tornado weather? If so, let me know how it went for you. My daughter, one of my daughters, lives in Pennsylvania, and they had a lot of wind too. Oops. Oh, I think I was going to tilt it a little bit. Like this. There. Okay, I think we're done. So now we'll go ahead and glue this down. Nachos and alcohol. The greatest way to celebrate. I think nachos and ice cream would be the greatest way to celebrate. But I'd have to have vegan or low-fat ice cream, because I got too much cholesterol. Okay, that's cut off, and I think I'll just find a little circle and put the number 31 on there. Alright, let's get rid of this. And yeah, let's get our circle. Alright, so this is what the final layout looks like. I put my 31 right up there. And we're all done. Thank you to everyone who has watched any of my videos for Junk Journal July. I invite you to keep watching, and if you feel so inclined, subscribe to my channel, and I would love the support, and I appreciate your support. And yes, I'm still doing Marguerite Miller's challenges and then my own creations and stuff, so there'll be lots of videos to come, and I would appreciate your support so much. Thanks so much, and see you again next time. Bye-bye.